everybody, my name is Rebecca. I'm a volunteer here at Kowiachobee Animal Preserve. I've been volunteering here since January of 2021. I started volunteering here when one of my good friends who knew I loved animals was like, hey, if you love animals, you need to come check this place out. So she brought me here one day to volunteer and I totally fell in love, and here I am. While I love all of the animals here, my favorite one, don't tell the others, is Kowiachobee the lion. He just has such a chill, relaxed vibe about him. He just has a great attitude and I love spending time with him. Sitting with Kowiachobee is the best part of my day. It's very relaxing. He's a fantastic listener. Kowiachobee, sit.
Oh, wow.
Good boy. So here at Kowiachobee, we are a nonprofit, meaning we run on the donations of our generous community, so financial contributions are always very much appreciated. While we are not open to the general public with open hours, you can book a hands-on private tour with us. They start at 10 a.m. every day and they are by reservation. Feel free to email us, Facebook us, call us, and book your tour.
Hi, I'm Holly. I volunteer on the weekends at Kowiachobee Animal Preserve. I love spending time with the animals and the people. We're just a big family out here. Very rewarding. Good for the heart. I would recommend anyone to come out here and just come out one time just for a tour, just like I did. You'll get hooked. I guarantee you, you'll want to come and volunteer.
Hello, my name is Rachel. I've been volunteering since 2018. So most of what I do is basically just taking care of the animals, different things like cleaning their enclosures. Of course, we also feed them and we make sure they have clean water. People kind of know me as like the bearded dragon girl here. So I actually never really had any interaction with bearded dragons or most reptiles before I started coming here. Despite their looks, bearded dragons are actually very sweet. I've just grown to love them. Yeah, one of my favorites, definitely. So if you're an animal lover like me, I would definitely recommend you come out and volunteer because there's something for everybody. Whether you're into reptiles, birds, the cats, and yeah, they're all just waiting for someone to come take care of them, say hi. So I would definitely come out. Yeah.
Our tours are very hands-on, far more than you would get at a zoo. We find that the best way to get people excited about learning about animals is to have them be hands-on with the animals. During our tours, you'll be able to feed a variety of our animals, the horses, gators, tigers. We find that the best way to really teach people is to have them be a part. We would love to have you guys come out and see all of our animals at our beautiful preserve. Send us an email, send us a message on Facebook, or give us a call. We'd love to have you here.
Kowiachobee Animal Preserve needs your help. Whether it's through volunteering, donations, or simply sharing this video, your gift of time, talent, or treasure is greatly appreciated. Learn more about this wonderful organization, its people, its animals, and how you can help by visiting kowiachobee.org.